Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable voice chat into Among Us so you can play with your friends and with the voice chat. So as you may know, in-game in Among Us there is only way to chat with your friends is through chat. So what you can do here and how you can go around, simply you need to go on Discord, discord.com. It's completely for free to sign up and use this platform. And simply what you need to do here after you sign up and log in, go here on the plus icon that is on a left side. Of course, if you want to be a host of the voice chat server, and then press add server here, and then you can name it whatever you want. As you can see here, for me it will be Among Us voice chat server. All right, and press create. And then as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds and this window pops up, and now you need to invite your friends. So you can click this button, invite your friends here, and as you can see here, they giving you a link that you need to share with your friends and invite them to the server. And once your friend is invited, what you can do here is to press on the voice channel. As you can see here, a little plus icon, create channel, and then select as a voice channel and give it a name. So Among Us voice. You can do private or you can do public, so every server players, every server users, if the server is public, can basically join. And then as you can see here, there is Among Us voice chat here, and if you want to play Among Us and basically talk with your friends, press on this one. And basically every single player should go on Among Us, for example voice, and here you can talk. And of course you need to first set up your microphone. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.